Okay, so it's a array. Okay, so we are just creating a file name, new data type. Okay, okay. So till now we see data types. Okay, we didn't create some rename .md. So .md, it's a new thing. Okay, so .md is a markdown file. Okay, it's a markdown file and it's created in your project for, we can say, um, creating notes about instruction about your code. Okay, so it's like a readme file for your project. Okay, readme file for your project, so we use that markdown file as a notes. Okay, okay, okay. So as of now we see data types. We already seen the data types. Okay, okay. So we have two types of data types. Okay, one is a primitive, one is a primitive.
Their voice is low.
Voice is low. Okay, just give me a second. Just a second, I'll connect device. Now is okay.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have two types of data type. It's a first one is a primitive and second is a non-primitive. Okay. Primitive and non-primitive. So primitive data type we already learned. Okay. String. String. Second one is number. Okay. Third one is boolean. Or let's just undefined and null. Okay. So we are going to see the primitive data type. Okay. So the non-primitive data type is like storing a single type of data type, or single type, or you can say the single storing. Okay, string number. Okay, do I need to write here example two, like string abc number 1 2 3 boolean true or false. Okay, null and undefined, itself a data type. Okay, non-primitive array. Okay, we will see array. Second one is object. Okay, object. And third one is function. Okay, emojis. Okay, emojis, it's like what do you say, emoji is a primitive data type and it's not a data type. Emoji is a value, like string abc, like a number is 1 2 3, so emojis also. Okay, okay. So emoji is like a symbol, so that's also a data type. You can see it's a symbol, but currently we don't going to didn't going to cover that thing because it's not needed in industrial level. Okay, we didn't use. Okay, okay. MD, what is MD? It's a MD is markdown. MD is markdown. What is MD? MD is markdown. MD is markdown. Okay, markdown file. Okay, markdown file. Okay, markdown file is like I already mentioned. Markdown file is like instructions, notes, which is you write for your projects. Okay, okay. Instruction notes. Every project have its own markdown file. If you created intentionally, or it's might be created by your node. Okay, okay. Any doubt about markdown file? Okay, 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 okay. So we are going to see today array, 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 array. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We are going to see array. Okay, array. What is a okay? So I we need to just recap. Okay, we're just going to be recap the if else simple one step decision. Anyone any doubt about the if else? Anyone anyhow any doubt about the if else? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, no one. Nested if else, multi-layer, multi-layer. Okay, and operators and or not. We see and or not, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Okay, and indentation. Okay, 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 okay. Do I need to recap anything? No. Okay, okay, okay. So what is the array? Simple. What is the array? Array are used to store multiple value in a single variable. Array is used to store multiple value in a single variable. Just like take an example like a shopping list. Okay, we have the shopping list. Okay, we have shopping list, playlist song. Okay, numbered book. Like in shelf, we organize the book properly. Okay, shopping list also organized, playlist also organized. Okay, and the train numbers also organized. So the organized way of writing a list, stack, oh sorry, list and yeah, okay, like in a single variable we can store multiple, or you can say the single variable that can hold many related item in a order sequence. Okay, order sequence, most important thing, sequence order sequence in a order sequence. Okay, okay, single variable hold many items in a order sequence. Okay, 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 I'm reading again. Single variable hold many items in an order sequence. Okay, okay. Now let's see like we have imagine like we need to store students, 50 students. Okay, let's just create the problem. Okay, why arrays, why it's array introduced. Okay, why it's array introduced, let's see. Okay, let me just create one file name array in js. Okay, okay, let me just connect the file. How do we connect? Anyone just help me, how do we connect? I just forget it. Anyone, how do we connect? भाई कोई तो बताओ, भूल गया यार मैं, कोई तो बताओ कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं।
source,
सोर्स से कनेक्ट करते हैं, उसके पहले क्या लिखते हैं हम?
script,
स्क्रिप्ट।
script tag.
थैंक्स। स्क्रिप्ट टैग लिखते हैं, ठीक है। स्क्रिप्ट src, उसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, फाइल का नाम इंपोर्ट। ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा कनेक्ट। थोड़ा छोटा दिख रहा है, बड़ा कर देता हूँ। ठीक है, अब करेक्ट, अब सही है, अब सही है। ओके, सही है। ओके, इसका तो काम है नहीं। ठीक है, ये कहाँ से बंद करते हैं, ये यहाँ से बंद करते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ से शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल बी, शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल बी। ठीक है, ठीक है। I hope everyone working on VS Code. Okay, everyone working on VS Code, they get used to VS Code. Okay, okay. I hope everyone have these all the folders from day to date, and they are trying to do by themselves. Okay, okay. If you are not, then I'll show you. You will not become a developer. Like आप नहीं कर रहे हो, आप कभी नहीं बन सकते डेवलपर। सिर्फ वीडियो देखने से या लेक्चर अटेंड करने से कोई डेवलपर नहीं बनता। ठीक है, आप you read book for the swimming, you read all the instruction how to swim, and then just jump,
पर
आप जल्दी डूब जाओगे।
एमडी फाइल का यूज कहाँ होता है, मतलब उसका यूज क्या
एमडी फाइल का यूज कहाँ होता है? ओके, चलो चलो आपको दिखाते हैं, छोटा सा दिखाते हैं ना एमडी फाइल का यूज कहाँ होता है, दिखाते हैं, एक सेकंड ना। एमडी फाइल का यूज प्रैक्टिकली देखते हैं। जस्ट स्क्रीन दिख रही सबको, स्क्रीन दिख रही सबको, स्क्रीन दिख रही सबको।
चलो देखते हैं हम नोड जेएस का आ, ये देखते हैं, गिट देखते हैं। ठीक है, नोड जेएस की गिट फाइल देखते हैं। ठीक है, गिट रिपोजिटरी देखते हैं। ठीक है, हम नोड जेएस पढ़ रहे हैं। ठीक है, हम नोड की गिट फाइल देखते हैं। ओके, ये है गिट रिपोजिटरी। गिट गिट गिट, एनीवन नो अबाउट द गिट? एनीवन? जस्ट गिव मी प्रॉपर git git what is a git? We are also going to learn git in future, okay, in detail। बहुत अच्छे डिटेल से हम git पढ़ेंगे, with the industrial requirement how they use, okay। Even from day one you don't need to worry about how they are working
ड्यूरिंग
on the git।
प्रोजेक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग
It's a,
प्रोजेक्ट्स पढ़ेंगे क्या सर?
yeah, during projects git is like a collaborative station where you store your code, you just upload your code, collaborate with your colleagues, okay। just remember we just upload our code। इतना ही याद रखो कि हम सिर्फ अपना कोड यहाँ पे अपलोड करते हैं एज ऑफ नाउ। ठीक है, अभी के लिए। सो गिट रिपोजिटरी में देखिए हमारे नोड का पूरा कोड है, हमारे पास नोड का पूरा कोड है हमारे पास। नोड ओपन सोर्स है, नोड इज ओपन सोर्स, वी हैव होल कोड हियर, दे अपलोडेड ऑन गिट ऑफिशियली, ओके। यू कैन सी node डॉट ओ आर जी। ठीक है, एंड मजे की बात बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है, मजे की बात बताता हूँ। ठीक है, नोड लिखा है जावास्क्रिप्ट में, नोड इज रिटन इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, नोड इज रिटन इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, ओके। ओके, लेट्स जस्ट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू मार्कडाउन फाइल, ओके। मार्कडाउन फाइल, वेयर इज द मार्कडाउन फाइल? एनीवन एमडी, ओके। मार्कडाउन you can see markdown files, numbers of markdown files, you can see number of markdown files। so we just find out any contributing or governance markdown file, okay। I'm just opening governance markdown file, yeah, you, okay, you can see they return notes kind of thing, okay। Trigger, collaborators, okay, they just write like notes or instructions, okay। so markdown file use for that, okay। Okay, we can directly jump into here, okay।
कैन
nothing,
वी
nothing कुछ
कैन
अलग ही
वी
नहीं।
डू कोड आल्सो हियर?
No, you can't do code here, it's like your read only file,
ओके
okay।
ओके,
it's just read for instruction and anything everything, but you can't write the code here, okay।
इट
Okay,
इज फॉर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन।
it's a called, you can say it's a documentation for your code, for your project, okay।
ओके
Okay, but it's should be a generic for your whole project। it's not should not about the any specific component, any file, any functionality, okay। because यहाँ समझ में नहीं आएगा, we can't understand if I write here like about the any functionality like login page, if I write something here about the login page code, okay। how do I going to login, accessing the user's data and then verifying is it user available in system or not। सो यहाँ पर लिख के कोई मतलब नहीं बनेगा, उसको हमें उसी फाइल में लिखना पड़ेगा इंस्ट्रक्शन की मैंने कैसे कोड लिखा हुआ है। ठीक है, ठीक है, और वो हम क्यों लिखते हैं क्योंकि आगे जा करके अगर हम ही अपना कोड पढ़े, क्योंकि हम अपने पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में हजारों लाइन लिखते हैं, वी राइट thousands of hundreds of thousands of lines, so we didn't remember properly, yeah, we didn't remember properly what we are written, why we are written। So sometimes we need to understand why we are written, that time we write comments, okay। And even markdown file for like for the give you the like wholesome idea, okay। Okay, I think we just get track out of our topic, okay। So as of now just understand what is a markdown file, okay। Okay, okay, I'll show you, like we will get through into the node file and everything, okay। Okay, let's just jump into our code. Okay, okay, okay. So we are going to see the array. We are going to see the array. So what was the problem statement? Okay, we are going to see our problem statement. What if I need to store, I need to print five student name and age. Nothing, just name, age, and marks, or name, class, and marks. Okay. So first I need to create let student name name one equals to Manoj. Okay, Manoj. Let student, just let me copy the student. Here we are going to use number of type. Okay, student age, student 1 age, okay? Sorry, student 1, okay? Age is, let us assume 25 as of now, okay? Student age and class, let's inside string, okay? 10, because I'm using string also, okay? Okay, let student marks, see, 99, okay, 95, in number, and number 95, okay, 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 is student, okay, so we just write 1, and just let me copy paste away. Student 1, just going to copy this one. Student 2, student 3, student 3, okay, we write something different here. Okay, student 4. Okay, let's just create for this 4 students. Okay, as of now. Okay, okay, Manoj. Then we have Dev, Dev, Dev's age is 55. Okay, Dev in 12. Okay, Dev got 45%, 45 marks. Okay, because he's old. Home, home is 30. Okay, 18 is in 9th. So he got 30. Okay, again we have Avinash, Avinash, Avinash is 20, is in 7th. Yeah, we writing anything. कुछ तो भी लिख रहे हैं. We got 85. Okay. So how do I console? How do I console? How do I console? How do I console? Simply console dot log. Okay. Template literal. Okay. Student name is dollar. Okay. Student name is and dollar year old and in dollar class and got dollar marks. Okay. Dollar marks. Okay. Let's just give me add the student one name. Okay. Name, then student one age, and sorry, yeah, student one age, then student one class, student one class, and student one marks. Okay. Okay. Student one marks. Okay. थोड़ा छोटा कर देते हैं. Is it visible still? Is it still visible? Is it still visible?
Yes.
Okay. या थोड़ा zoom करूँ?
No,
Do I
sir.
need to zoom? Okay.
It is fine.
It's fine. Okay. 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 What's up? What's wrong here? What's wrong here? Okay. We use wrong syntax. We use wrong syntax. Okay. Now it's up. Okay. Okay. Student one. Student one. Let's get for the all the students. 4 students. Okay. 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 Just let me just. Okay. गलत कर दिया. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'll tell you how do I'm doing this. It's a shortcut keys and everything. Okay. Okay. As of now, just okay. Chalo. Everything is prepared. I think everything is correct. Okay. Okay. Have we connected? Yes, we are connected. Okay. So just right click on HTML, click on Reveal File Explorer. Okay. We will redirect it to the our file explorer. Okay. And then double click on index.html. Okay. Double click or open with or double click on index.html. Okay. So we got our document here. Okay. We got document here. Okay. Inspect, inspect, inspect. Okay. We just inspected. Let me just zoom a little bit. Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Okay. Now you can see what we got. Student one, Manoj, 25-year-old, correct. 10th got 95 marks. Correct. Correct. So it took a lot of time. It took a lot. Or what if it's 100 students? What if it's 100 students? Or let's see, in a school, generally 900 to 1000 students is common. Okay. So, so how do you handle that? How do you handle that? How do you handle that? How do we handle that? So we have another data type to handle this thing. We have array. We have array. Array. We have array. Okay. We have array. We have array. So let's see. Okay. Someone just write something. Just let me get going. Okay. So how do we write the array? How do we write the array? How do we write the array? We write the array using bracket, using square bracket, using square bracket. It's a square bracket, correct? We write the array using square bracket. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see in code. Let's see in a code. Let's see in a code. Okay. Uh. Okay. Where it is? Yeah. Here. Here. So do I just comment everything about the code? Or let it be. Let it be. It won't be harm our code. Harm our another. Okay. Array. Array. Syntax simple. Syntax is a simple. Syntax, simple syntax. Syntax is square, sorry. It's a square bracket. It's a square bracket. It's a square bracket. Okay. Let's see. Let's just create array. Okay. Let, uh, can we name array? Yes, we can name array because array is not a reserved data type. Array is not a reserved keyword. Sorry, array is not a reserved keyword, and we create array. And we created array successfully. How? Let's see. Console.log, console.log, type of array. Likewise, we check type of array. Likewise, we check the type of array or type any data type and also array. Let's just also console the array. Okay. Okay. Let's just go to the our. Okay. And reload. You can see object. Okay. It's object. Okay. I forget to tell you. It's considered as object here, but just remember it's array. Okay. It's just for JavaScript. So in JavaScript, every non-primitive data type, handled as a object for the JavaScript. For JavaScript, consider everything as object. Like a whole JavaScript is an object. And you can everything you are seeing in web page, it's also object. It's convert into object. Okay, it's little bit confusing. So for as of now, let it be for as of now. I'll just delete this thing. It might be confused you. So we just not going to see anything, but just focused on the array. Just focus on the array. Okay, I don't want you to confuse. Okay, 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 uh, okay, okay. Okay, someone asking me about question about the VS Code. Okay, we will get uh, VS Code related question later. Okay, I'll show you like text tricks and tips. Okay, for as of now, just understand array. Okay, just focus on the array. Just focus on the array. Okay, so just focus on the array. Okay, so we created array successfully. So we created our array successfully. Okay, one thing I just wanted to show you difference between array versus array. Array versus array. Okay. Difference between array versus array. Okay. So this is a reserve keyword. This is capital A is a reserve keyword and small a it's not. Okay. Capital A is a reserve keyword and it's not. Okay. It's not. Okay. So you can create array like that, and also you can create array1 or arr array like that. New, new, new array. You can create like that too. You can create like that too. Okay. Okay. Want to see? Want to see? Just let me just console arr. Correct. Let's just jump into our output and let's see have we got or not. Share, refresh. Okay. Got it? Got it? Same. This one is arr, sorry, array, and this one is arr. This one is arr. Just let me label once. Just let me label. Just let me label. Will give you clear clarity. Array, and it's arr. It's arr. Reload. Okay. Array, arr. Both are array. Both are array. But as per the requirement, we create. Okay. Like most of the industries or most of the companies, while the development, we don't use this thing. We directly create it like that. Okay. Why do we need write these complex things? Okay. Sometimes in some cases we write these things too. Okay. But it's exceptions. Okay. 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 We clear about the syntax. Are we clear about the syntax? Yes. Let array. Let's just create our new array for solving our above problem. For solving about our new problem. Okay. But used in Java, yeah, it's a different language. Okay, Mangesh, it's different language, different syntaxes, but same methodology. Okay, there also array, here also array. Okay, so once you learn in one language, you can switch another language in like in 7 days. Okay, so just focus on the concept. Just focus on the concept. Okay, so here we are going to create an array. Okay, I'm just going to create a name array. Okay, name array. Naming properly, yes, name array. Let's just create our name array. Okay, Mangesh, Mangesh, comma, comma, comma. It's most important. Comma is most important. Okay, string name Rushti, Rushti. Okay, comma, comma div. We have div two. Okay, and let's add anyone home. Okay, short or just capital small. Okay, have you get it? It's a comma separated, it's comma separated, it's comma separated. Have you seen it's comma separated? Okay, always every element in array it's comma separated. It's comma separated. Every element in array, if I wanted to another element, I just comma and then add. Okay, then add. Okay, just remember this is a syntax. You have to memorize this thing. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just see what we got in our console. Okay, what we got our console. Name array. Okay, comma. Okay, have you seen I did one mistake? Have you seen I did one mistake? Have you seen I did one mistake? Have you seen anyone? Just quickly, anyone just figure out. Okay,
Camel case.
camel case. Correct. Who's one? Who is he? कौन था भाई?
Gopi sir.
गोपी, थैंक्स गोपी, बढ़िया भाई, ध्यान दे रहे भैया क्लास में. ओके 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 ओके. Never use while creating variable. Never use. Okay, we just create, sorry. Okay, camel case. That's a Pascal case. Okay, that's a Pascal case. We write Pascal case while creating another things. Okay, okay. We need to just going to see the output. Okay, introductory. Just refresh. Okay, what we got? What we have got? What we have got? Name array, 5 elements. Okay, it's showing 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. It's 5 elements and it's comma separated. It's comma separated. It's comma separated. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. As of now, anyone have any doubt? As of now, कोई कुछ पूछना चाहता है?
Sir,
हाँ हाँ.
in console that in line number 28, you take sir that dollar sign. What is
Okay,
uh,
that's a template literal. We have covered template literal in day 6 maybe, right? No, day 5. Okay, we covered template literal in day 5. Just I'll share you on YouTube link, okay, or page.
okay?
Just follow that. You will get the about this. Okay, so for those who know about this, congratulations, you mastered in console and template literal, because in industry most of the people don't know how to use the template literal. Okay, even after the 3 years of experience. Okay,
It is important, sir.
it's important. Yeah, it is important. It's most important as a developer. As a developer, you see number of places they use the template literal, because it's a shortcut thing that you write your variable and string. Like I want to print, like I have 100 peoples, I have array of 100 people, like I have these peoples. Okay, I have these peoples. Okay, I wanted to print hello Mangesh, hello Shruti, hello Dev, hello Om, hello Nitin. So do I write everything like with a single thing, or even if I want to write this? Okay, we have another thing. Like if I didn't write like this, okay, just let me control Z. Okay, otherwise I need to write like that. Okay, plus, correct guys, otherwise I need to write like that. Okay, and in this thing you need to handle the spaces and everything, but here you don't need to worry about the spaces, how it's look as it is what you are written here. Okay, that's why template detail is most preferable. Okay, and it's, you can say it's shorthand thing and advanced thing. Okay, okay, I'm why I'm using template detail for consoling, because I wanted you to be useful. Okay, I wanted to be you mastery on this. Okay, try
Okay.
by yourself. Okay, okay, okay. So what we're going to see, we are going to see our, okay, we already seen, okay, how it's print. Okay, do I need to write for this? Do I need to write for this? Okay, let's just write quickly, just let write. Okay, we write the array for the student student names. Okay, so just Manoj. Okay, okay, let me just Manoj. Second one is Dev. Dev, we already have Dev. We already have Om. We have Avinash. We have Avinash. Avinash. And okay, we already write for. Okay, we don't have anything here. Okay, another array. What will be another array? What should be another array? Array. What should be another array? What should be another array?
Yes.
H. H. Let's see the, let the H. Okay, array. Okay, so here we're going to create array of numbers. Are we going to create the array of numbers? Correct. We are going to create the array of a number. Okay, we're going to create the array of 55, 18, and 20. 55, 18, and 20. Okay, so comma separated, semicolon. Don't forget semicolon. Okay, then what we have, classes, let student classes. Okay, let's student class array. We return in string 10th, 12th, 9th, and 7th. 10th, 12th, 12th, 9th, and 7th. Correct? Okay. Okay. Have you noticed one thing? I write exactly on the position where they are in sequence. Okay. Okay. Avinash on second, 55, 55. Okay. 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 I'll I'll tell you like why it is and its importance. Okay. Marks. Okay. 95, 95, 45, 80, and 85. 95, 45, 95, 45, 80, and 85. 80 and 85. Okay, let's just console. Let's just console. Let's just console. Let's just console. 4. Student names, age, class, marks. Okay. Semicolon, 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 semicolon. Okay. Let's just show screen. Okay. 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 Refresh. Okay. Have we got? Have we got? Yes. Have we got? We have got. We got. Can you notice one thing? Can you notice one thing? We have length also, like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have length also. And we have its indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Look. We have length and also 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct? 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 Do we have length also? Okay. We have length of 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3. It's sequence 2. Now notice on 0th, 25 marks. 25 age, 10th, and on 0th position 95 marks. Similarly on third, like 4th position, but in indexing third position, we have 85 marks. In 7th, age 20, and name is Om. Correct? Correct? Any doubt as of now? Any doubt as of now? Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone? How do we create the array? How we console the array? How to read the array? Anyone? 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 If I want to console, okay, if I, anyone, okay, so we see one thing, we see length, we see length, we see length. How do we access here length? How do we access here length? Anyone, do you have anyone idea? Like we have already people who are writing the code from long time. So anyone, just suggestion. Do you have any suggestion like how do I access the length? Because we see the length on output. Dot length, correct, Dave. Dot length, correct. We already see here length. We have length given by the JavaScript. Length, JavaScript browser में तो length दिखा रहा है. It's showing us. But how do we access? How do we access in our code? How do we access our code? Like sometimes we need to also check the length. Okay. So, 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 so we have simple thing. We also see on day 4 or day 5. Day 5. Okay. We also see on day 5 strings. We also see, just let me show you dot length. Do we have length? No, we don't have. Where do we write the length? Length, power of a string. Power of a string in which lecture? It's on day 5. Okay. In day 5, we see string dot length. We see string dot length. We see the string dot length. Similarly, here also we have the string. Okay. Also we have this, we have the length. Okay. The same thing. I'm just adding here dot length. Array dot length, array dot length. Why I'm saying array dot length? Because this data type, this variable contain the array. Okay. So I write student name dot length. Similarly, let's see the output. Just jump into our box and clear everything. Okay, clear everything here, and you can say control K2. Okay, you can type control K2. Okay, you can see 4. You can see 4. We got length. Is it accessible? Yeah. Is it accessible? I can do anything about that. I can anything using this value. I can do anything using this. I can store in another let student name. Where is student name? Student names length equals to. How it is? Just write this code and
Not visible.
that's it. Sorry. Okay. You will get the length here. Okay. Similarly, just is how to access the length.
And VS not visible.
Okay. VS Code is not visible. Sorry. VS Code is not visible. Sorry. Okay. What I'm just again I'm writing. I just created variable. Let me just create again. Okay. Student. Okay. Copy from here. Student names length. Okay. length equals to student name dot length. Just remember dot length. We didn't writing this thing. We just write dot length. Okay. I'll just create another Okay, just write in our markdown file array, array, array syntax. Syntax, what is the syntax for the array? What is the syntax for the array? Syntax, syntax for array, just this one or new array. Not we get, okay? And length, how to access the length? Access the length. How do we access the length? Use array dot length. Okay, okay. Any doubt as of now? Any doubt? It's just simple thing, simple. Okay, it's just simple. We don't have any complex things. Okay, 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 okay. So how do we access that? How do we access each element? How do we access each element? Have you noticed one thing in browser? Have you noticed one thing? I just before that also I'm talking about. Have you noticed 0, 1, 2, 3? Have you noticed 0, 1, 2, 3? What it is? What it is? What it is? What it is?
Indexing.
Yes, it's a index. Yes, it's a
Array.
index. Yeah, it's an array. It's an array. But what it is 0 and 10? Why they
Index.
write 0 with the 10th, or why they write 2 beside the 9th, next to the
Position.
9th? Yeah, it's a position. Yeah, you can say position. Okay, you can say position. Okay, so how do we handle, how do we read the positions of the element? Using index. Using index. Okay, using index. Okay, are we going fast? Are we going fast? Anyone? Are we going fast? Okay, we already see this one. Okay, okay, yeah, we are going to see the indexing. Okay, yeah, we on correct track. We are on correct track. I just verifying. Okay, so we are going to see indexing. Index. Okay, okay, okay. We are going to see the indexing. Okay, we are going to see the index. How do we how index work here? How index work here? So let's take example of this one. Let's take example of this one. Okay, we have created this. Okay, so in back JavaScript store array in a single variable, but with along with the index, like one, sorry, one, not a one. In coding, it's always start with a 0. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, like that. 3, like that. What is the indexing for that? It's array, and its index of element, index or position of the elements. Okay, okay, okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, 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 no. So, so if if I want to access, my this Manoj, if I want to access Manoj, how do I access? How do I access? So we have we have method for accessing the index accessing the array, the array element using index. Okay, using index. How? Let's just access Avinash. Avinash index. Just everyone. Avinash index. Avinash index. Student name inside array of student name. Everyone on chat, please.
One.
सोना नहीं है 1 okay 1 let name let example name okay equals to student name student name student name square bracket का मतलब क्या होता है like square bracket means array but accessing the element of array we also use the square bracket and then index it's 1 okay similar thing we also see on string okay go and watch the lecture of a day 5 you will clear about this okay we already seen this properties and concept okay so do we got this name of index 1 do we got name of index 1 name of names array of names index 1 is Avinash so inside this example name should be a Avinash string let sorry console okay should we have Avinash string example name. Okay, example name. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Pairing. Refresh. Got example name equals to Avinash. Got it? Got it? How do I access? How do I access element of array? How do I access element of array? Even you can see here, Avinash is indexing 1. Okay? 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 Similarly, if I want to access Avinash age, I know index. I know Avinash data in which index. I know Avinash data is in which index. Some of you got the question like, if I don't know the elements index. Okay, so we have another method for that. As of now, just understand this thing. Okay, so if I wanted to access the age of Manoj, so we just Manoj. Okay, just write like that. Okay, student name. Okay, student age. Okay, what is student age? Student age 1. Okay, 1. Wait, let me student age. Oh, I think I write students. Just write students. Have you see what I did here? It's a student and I write students. It's different. Okay, it might be confusing, but I want you to be confused here. Okay. Okay. Then class. We need here. Okay. Class. Let class students class equals to student class of 1. Okay. Let marks. Okay. Students marks equals to student of 1. Do I get everything? Do I get everything? Do I get everything? Exactly. Let's just copy page and this one too. Okay. Do I return properly? Do I return properly? Example name, age. Okay. 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 Let's see our output. Let's see output. Let's see the output. Clear console, then reload. Name is not defined. Example name is not defined. Okay. We write something
Student name.
wrong. Student name. Okay. We change into student name. Okay. Okay. Clear, reload. Okay. Can you see? Okay. I write here directly array. That's why it's printing array. But you can see 55, 12, 45. Exactly. 55, 12, 45. Correct? 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 Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? How do we write? Why do we write? Okay. How do we write? Why do we write? Student name. Student name. Okay. 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 That's correct. Let's see how it's look once. I'm missing something. Mm, line number 56. You can see line number 56. Let's just check what we are doing wrong in line number 56. Student name, and array is student names. Array student names. Okay. Let's just check have we fixed our bug or not. Yeah, refresh. Okay. So why it's giving us this array?
We
It's
didn't
giving us
take
this array.
S there.
It's students names
We should take
of
student SS.
S. Okay, here. Correct.
Yes.
It's a similar name. That's why. Okay, correct. Get that. Okay. So I need to add this one. Okay. So it will print properly. reload. Okay, correct, correct. Anyone any doubt till now? Anyone any doubt till now? Till now? Till now? It's 9. It's already 9. We're just going to see. We're just going to see this example. How do we write this example? How do we write this example? Okay. How do we console this example? Okay. Okay, Avinash. Inside the array, we can write the pointer. We can pointer inside array. Can we use pointer concept? Okay. It's a simple. It's a simple. What is a pointer? How are we going to use the pointer in a future? But till now, just here, just be here with this concept. Till now, okay. We will go step by step. We will advancing ourselves step by step. I'll teach you everything like about the JavaScript. Like even the 4 year, 5 year experienced people don't know about the concepts. I'll cover those things. Okay, because these basic concepts makes you a better developer. Because as a development, you should not like it's not about the writing a better code. It's about to sanitize the code. It's about the writing a code in a lesser lines. Okay, debugging the most important thing. Like आप कोड तो लिख देते हो बट जब आपका कोड नहीं चलता है कई और इफेक्ट करता है इट्स अफेक्टिंग योर कोड ऑन अनदर थिंग्स ओके सो देन यू नीड टू रिजॉल्व योर एरर्स बग्स दैट unpredictable behaviors okay so then that situation you like you will get you didn't stuck there like this concept help you to understand these basic things okay so that's why I'm just going slow okay I'm just going slow and teach you the every
Okay,
minor
sir.
details of the concept okay so I think you get that okay so let's just print these things okay let's just print do I need to do I need these things now do I need these things no I just comment for that I created the array for this thing I created the array how many lines it is 5 to 23 so we have 16 lines yeah we have 16 lines and how many line we written for that we line only 4 lines for that 16 lines okay you converted that 16 line into 4 line correct this 16 line we converted into 4 lines using array okay so let's just console these things again I'll just comment this thing and okay spell audible yes okay comment all these things too uh okay comment these things too okay let it be these things okay 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 it's not get copied now it is okay okay so just help me here just say help me here how do I write just help me here how do I write just help me here to complete this thing everyone please help me here how do I return student one how do I return student one here inside the student names I wanted to print Manoj here how do I please help me please we already see indexing okay I'm just
Can you
write
repeat?
here I'm just write students names of one correct similarly sorry zeroth index okay student name zeroth index and similarly paste 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 I just need to change the index 1 2 3 correct similarly age for the age for the age for the age or you just see 0 similarly class 0 and the mark 0 0 first line is created let's just comment for Abhinav first line is created student name is this one and years old in this college sorry this class correct let's just print we are getting late so let's just print on quick no reload okay student name is Manoj 25-year-old in 10th class and got 49 marks got 49 marks okay Okay, okay, okay. Have you see how beautiful it is? Did you see how beautiful it is? We just return, just even comment this thing too. Okay, just pick these things. Sorry. हाँ तो यहाँ रख देते इसको फिलहाल. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. Visible to all of you. Okay, okay, okay. Can we write for that below consoles? Can we write for the below consoles? Remaining consoles? Yes. We just need to copy this thing, and let's just copy whole thing. Okay. Just paste, paste, and paste, paste, and just change the index. Index 1, index 2, and index 3. Similarly, 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 copy this thing. Okay, paste, paste, paste. Change the index 1, index 2, index 3. What if I interchange anything? Like I did mistake here. Okay, let it be mistake here. Okay, we will see what happened there. Okay. And do the mistake 1, let's say 1 and 0. Okay, 2 and 3. Let's go with the single mistake. Okay, okay. Okay, we will see pointer thing, Avinash. We will see pointer thing. Okay, we will see in JavaScript. Okay, it's a different in JavaScript, but concept is same. Okay, share. Are you able to see the screen? Yeah, refresh. Can you see? Name is Manoj, 25-year-old, 10th class, 95. Name is Avinash, 55 volts, 12th class, 45 marks. Student 3 name. Okay, I just changing it. Okay, Avinash. You can see we got Avinash. It should be what it should be, what it should be, what it should be, it should be Manoj Avinash Dev Om. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. It should be div. It should be div. But we write index 1 here. So that's why we got the index 1. Okay. So I'm just correcting here. As of now, any doubt, anyone? Till now. Anyone, any have doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Chat. Okay. 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 Indexing start with a 0. Okay. We will see another manipulation. Okay. Tomorrow we will see another like other manipulations too. Like how do we add inside the array automatically, not like that, like comma and this. No, we will see methods to add inside the array. Okay, I'll just give you quick review for the array adding. For the adding, we use for the adding, for the adding, for the adding, for the adding, we use push. Okay, and for the remove, for the remove, for the remove, we use pop. Remove, we use pop. That's it. If you add push, array dot push, sorry, array dot push, syntax, correct syntax, array dot push, and array dot pop. What is the array? What is this array? It's just I'm taking example, but it should be like that. This array. Okay. This array. This array. So I just naming it as array. Okay. Okay. I'll just let me create for not confuse you more variable let array. Okay. Now it's clear. Okay. Array dot push, array dot pop. Just read about it. It will give you the clear ideas. Okay, where need to read? Where need to read? Where do I read proper authenticate documentation? Where do I read? Where do I read proper documentation, authenticated documentation?
MDN,
Anyone?
MDN.
MDN. Correct. MDN. Correct. MDN. I'll show you MDN. I'll show you MDN once again. Okay, I'll show you MDN. MDN JavaScript. Okay, MDN JavaScript. Is it visible? MDN JavaScript is it visible? Okay, I'm just going to the JavaScript. MDN. You can see JavaScript MDN. You can see everything. What we learn today, we learn array. Just enter. What array? Description, JavaScript array, resizable. Is it resizable? Yes. In JavaScript, array is resizable. In Java, there is no. Okay. Array 0, ARR dot 0. Okay. It's string. Okay, it's about the string, to string. Even we see string related thing. Okay. Let's see what we learned today. Okay. Fruit of 5. Okay. Where is fruit created? Where is fruit created? Oh, it didn't create the fruit. Okay. So it's created like push. Like you can see, we just discuss about the push. Okay. Push and element. Pop, where it's pop. Do we have pop here? Dot length. Okay. Dot length. We see dot length. Like, okay. Okay. Like it's where's the example he created? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Const color. Okay. Then he add keys. Okay. It's a keys related thing. Okay. Here is the methods. Here is the array methods. Here is the array method. We're going to see all the methods. We're going to see all the method: fill, pop, push, shift, sort, splice. Okay. There is a slice, concat. Okay. These all method like from here. Copy within. We don't use in industry. We use fill. We use pop. We use reverse. We use shift, sort, slice. We didn't use unshift. We use slice. We didn't use concat. We didn't use reverse. We use slice to sort to splice. We didn't use the to splice. Okay. So from this, 50% of them we use in industry in actively and most effectively, and it is important to know. Okay. We're going to see. Okay. This is MDN, guys. Okay. We see everything here. Everything here. There is another methods like it's advanced ES6 methods. Okay. Dot fail, dot find. It's another index of. Okay. There is array of index of. Even we see index of how it's index of work. What is the method of index works in lecture 5? Okay. So also go see, watch the lecture 5 for the indexing. Okay. Also share the notes, everything. Okay. Sorry for that, sharing you notes for the late. Okay. Sharing you the late notes and other materials. But I have the drive link shared with you. You can find, except this lecture, everything
And
from the
recording is available.
recording also available. We will share on you in the channel. Okay. Join the channel. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Join the channel. Okay.
Sir,
So as of now, have we seen this color red green? Yeah, we see the index of indexing. Okay. We see the length. Okay. We're going to see the push and pop tomorrow. Okay. We will see push and pop. How much are okay? It's the last concept, push and pop, but we will see tomorrow again. Okay. Because array always take at least 2 lecture to understanding. Okay. Day 6 recording. Yeah, day 6 recording also
sir,
uploaded. If it's
Sunday was class.
yeah, because we have time constraint. Okay. If it's not, I'll share with you on chat. Okay. But we have lesser time. Okay. We have to cover a lot of things, like
Yeah.
yeah. So I
I said
wanted
that
you to be advanced.
Sunday was class or no?
Every Sunday, every day we have class. Okay. Okay.
No,
I'm
sir, that recent Sunday that
yeah.
has
Recent Sunday also we have that Sunday also we took the class.
I was
Okay.
absent, sir. I
So you
think
was
there
upset.
is no class.
Okay. Everything is there. Material and everything is there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For the till the day 15, I'm going to share you the notes. Sorry. Recording. Okay. For after that, on request, we will share you recording. Okay. After that, there is a no recording for that because we're going to cover the advanced lectures. People's paid fee for that. Okay. So that's why. Okay. Okay. So
What, sir? What
just
is
just just